More kwaba eba attention TV so mo sonfo akuantwa papa bi na me de esompa eba besom na me ka se dwume ku esomase a me de sa esomba beso ye obatampa travel and express consultancy for na esomase obatampa so we travel everywhere baby a opesa okobi opesa oko Mexico Canada US Europe memu a srofre obatampa for na oni omo enisa so a emu odin pa na no pay ye bohwi akọ Alabaster International Ministry aye papa ye friend no Prophet Kofi Oduro aka tie it is obomu sana say obia obe study what no tie papa Kofi Oduro na ye kwa papa Kofi Oduro aswe na say preacher na e ba wona aswe na ano ya we mekopa uye wali ni na ha misro fem waso ha na betie me uye politician misro betie bi there's obia ni die wo ma che say ano ye uye sofo ha na said udi nsamfo wa sori a misre odie wo ha sei a ubetia ma me Prophet Kofi Oduro say Ghana mpanifo wa Jubilee House nyina onyame atamu say ayese jakoko no na egu omuti so je say nyame atamu no de e be start o Jubilee House e wo Ghana mpanifo because ne omode oman no eye no omode Ghana man akoma aye no nyankopon atamu emu odin pa de e bi wo Jubilee House mpanifo a ewo mu nyinara na je say asem no ayede e na afensu na say demonstration a course Ghana might be twi echo Jubilee House echo demonstration just say maybe e kesi edumi a just say more dey no or see we dey just eye keto akora na emu odin pa by be say nia gas filling station you see guard bi gas bi eja tom eja betom say boom demonstration e ba no just anu odin na ne amrante na mebun ne ye no because on my Ghana man penny phone ediomakoma edi agro enti ne omba be biem no ebe sinku enti impenifo am Jubilee House say you people should watch out na ne e ba ne de anu odin ena odi wura ma wura ene ya Africa for mema wale se ne ane tan ene ne kankan ye so sana papa kan no o say Africa have for ya wale in fact enye time be ma be sine bo say ena me na me to ena me na me to nsuo ma wonum ena me na me high dan ma eno nti oba be kra ne kunu say me ko we dey say sleep me ma wonko oba be kra ne kunu say me so me kwa yie o say me ma wonko hwan na frɛ o phone hwan na frɛ no miss ko bi o phone so eno so efiri ifa hey ga Africa mema munya sa sebe nkwase asem na mudi kire mma no na oman mu mpanifo yi omutumi fa mba bako miensa omo high dan ma obi eno kra omo mpapa mo yire no maso mo fam wo fie omakoma no atuma chese awale no koso kama na wo cheme ho bi akọ high wa ga pe down ha edema oba no na oba no da yes African member munjai sadie na African member nim se na yesi bo amma wo fie because wa worry unti your responsibility say ona obepra ona obesekete ona obeprefie ona onu aduane African member this is the time I was see jai jimi no sebe na ye netina ye bo amma no ni yenja amma hye so na Ghana member ehye emma so no na no odin ena osadi wura ma bowura no ankasa na asofo so o se ene Ghana maye aye ni kwase ebu abanyina o de blame ni be ma asofo kese pa because asofo ni bi wo ho asebi omo ye ti bonko so member bibie sogu ni tri so eja bi hye na wa ba sofo se sofo bonpai ma me no na sofo eyi Holy Ghost no efri ni brazium hey Jesus I'm shaking. Where they are not day. Now so for ye Holy Ghost. If you ba besia Brazilian, this ordinary say buraho ye Brazilian. Ghana so for Ghana do for Munjania. Moyane papa Kofi Oduro say or sram munti. Mr. Enti papa mbrasisia.
We are telling sinners that the Lord will give you double. We are telling people that have corrupted the grace and the things and the holy things of God. We have corrupted them by prophesying, to them the Lord is with you. How can anybody tell this present government or their opposition that God is with them? Who has the boldness to talk that nonsense? God is with them. Don't you know when God is with somebody? Those people, they don't go through madness. I'm telling you. You jam a check. I'm telling you. Tell Jubilee House the Lord is against you. Tell Jubilee House judgment is on your head. Tell Akufo Addo you are under judgment. Tell him. I told you the mind of God. I don't care who you are. I present it as it is. Tell them they will never go scot-free. You will pay. Take it from me. You will pay price. I'm telling you the mind of God. Everywhere. In the next 15 years, all the political leaders you see right now will be history. I'm telling you, you are going to see, all kinds are going to emerge. Let me tell you, this Occupy Jubilee House demo, don't take it lightly. You better take it serious. That is another emergence. You see those people out there, don't take them for joke. Something is bubbling in our hearts. And that's something, if you don't take care, will explode. I'm telling you. What they are doing there is more dangerous than a coup. They are telling you they don't like the style of leadership. They can stand in the rain, they don't care, they can leave their jobs, and don't joke with that too. There are mutinies all over. A paint bucket that was bought for 50 Ghana cedis now is 230 Ghana cedis. Small local paint bucket, 230 Ghana cedis. The Bible calls it perilosity of times. And he is warning you, see that your heart is not troubled. This is the time to draw close to Jesus. This is the time to draw close to Jesus and not nonsense. Not nonsense. The world, there are too many nonsensical things in the world right now. Too many. The things that are competing for our attention, my lady, is and this is the time that, even listening to preaching, you must be very, very, very sensitive. Careful what you hear. I'm telling you.
I mean, as I said, what could you, Papa? Or say, yesterday, net year. How can you cast so much in your member? Mr. Tina, a man penny for Mr. Mutia, Papa, they said they are shankasa. It is a woman message in the Mamma Fana Grona, Mufa, Nenny Bresh, Namu Famwa, ye Mbebuna, ye walk Ghana, Memha, and they are swire shankasa. Most of for a quaint one, I made this argument, best on my crowd, Nimoti.